Hello, my sweet little friends. Today I'll draw Bluey holding a big, colorful ice cream cone. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a story full of giggles, tasty treats, and happy little adventures. Before we start, can you press the like button like giving Bluey a cheerful paw high five? That will make her tail wag faster and her eyes sparkle with excitement. The morning sun glows warmly. The sky is bright and clear. Bluey stretches her paws. Her tail flicks with cheer. Bingo bounces nearby, ears flopping as she laughs aloud. "Look, Bluey," she says. "Your ice cream looks so yummy and proud." Bluey giggles happily. "Yes, I got a big scoop of strawberry too." She licks it carefully. It's tasty and sweet. Woohoo! The ice cream drips slowly, running down her little paw. Bingo laughs loudly. "Careful, Bluey, don't drop it, no." Can you pretend to lick an ice cream cone too? Hold it gently in your hand. Pretend it's cold and sweet, the best treat in all the land. Bluey twirls around slowly, tail wagging with delight. Bingo claps her paws. "Ice cream makes everything feel bright." They walk to the park, holding cones with care. Bluey spots a butterfly, flying lightly in the air. "Hello, little butterfly," she giggles. "Come see my ice cream." The butterfly flutters closer, sparkling like a tiny dream. Do you want to pretend to hold an ice cream too? Lick it slowly and sweet. Pretend the flavor is your favorite, a yummy, tasty treat. Bingo jumps a little. "Bluey, let's sit on the bench together." Bluey nods happily. "Yes, eating ice cream is the best in any weather." Suddenly a little bird lands, right near their feet. Bluey giggles softly. "Hello, birdie. Want a tiny treat?" Bingo laughs gently. "It's so cute. Our friends are everywhere." Bluey nods with delight. "Sharing happy moments is always fair." Then Dad walks in smiling. "What are my little ice cream lovers doing now?" Bluey points to her cone. "Look, Dad, it's so yummy. Show us how." Bandit chuckles softly. "It looks delicious. Enjoy it slowly, my dears." Bluey giggles. "Yes, Dad, ice cream fun brings happy cheers." The sun begins to lower, painting the park in golden light. Bluey hugs her cone gently, tail flicking with delight. "Best ice cream day ever," Bluey says. "I love this treat with you." Bingo smiles and nods. "Eating together is the best thing to do." Do you love ice cream too? Pretend to taste it slow and sweet. The story ends gently, with hearts happy and full of treat. Bluey waves her paw. "Thanks for joining our ice cream fun today." Bingo smiles brightly. "See you tomorrow for more games and play."